The following is a short video on creating your first AR customer and taking your first AR payment. The starting point for creating an AR customer will be to go to Customers, Customers, and if I was creating a new customer, most likely I would be clicking Auto Assign, and I'll put a name here. And you'll notice for customer type, since I'm adding a new customer, this drop down is available and I can choose AR. And if I save this, I will have a brand new AR customer. I'm getting a pop-up here reminding me that for an AR customer, there are two required fields, which is terms code, which we will set here for net 30, and AR account, which we will set to accounts receivable. And now we're able to save that. If you were having an existing customer that you wanted to change over to AR, this is possible, but you can only go from a cash customer to an AR customer. Counterpoint does not allow us to go the other direction. So an example of that would be, I will bring up an existing cash customer. We'll pick on Susan Anderson. And this customer is currently a cash customer. It may seem as if you cannot change this field, but if you have the correct permissions, you can click on the lock, open up this field. You can see we now have that choice. And again, since this is AR, there's a few additional fields that are required. We'll go ahead and set this as net 30, and we will set the proper accounts receivable account code and save. So we have Susan Anderson set up as an AR customer, and we'll go try this out for the first time. So we'll go over to point of sale, and we will begin by using customer lookup to look up Susan. And I'll just drop a few items on this ticket. And then I will proceed to go to pay, and you'll notice there's a pay code for AR. This defaults to pay ticket balance. You could put in a different amount or a lesser amount if you wish to. Usually if people are charging, they're paying the full amount. But we will say okay to that. And we can preview this receipt, and you can see there is our AR customer, Susan Anderson, and the payment type here, AR, for the full balance. So that is a brief walkthrough of creating your first AR customer and taking your first AR payment. Questions, as always, please reach out to us at lp8retail.com. Thank you.